Hi and welcome back to Uotilagarage. I've been struggling a bit with my camera because I normally use it like this with the ball head and the mini tripod, but when I want to change it to the big tripod there, I have to unscrew everything and do the things, and I'm not quite trusting this one, that it goes like this, because I think I need some the L bracket, yeah. Then I have this one. It's like a belt thing that has this little ball that you can screw under the camera, but where do I screw it, because there's only one. Now I think I have the solution. It's this one. I made myself my own L bracket, and this is how I made it. Here it is. It has 3 mounting holes, one here, one under the quick release, and one on the side. So you could put it this way if you want, and this way if you want, and one for the other tripods or something you want to use it. It's quite simple. You have the quick release blade here, and there you have it. And one extra feature that I added was the cold shoe, hot shoe, what it is to the side, so you can add the mic on the other side of the camera. And then I made this aluminium handle for it, so you can put it on the camera's actual shoe. Then of course you can take the quick release plate off, and it's now you can carry it. And when you don't need the tripod, there's the knobbin, and you can put it on your belt. There you go. The ultimate L bracket for cameras. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button, and leave a comment what you think of this. And I'll see you next time. Bye.